Cheers. Nice taste. And smell of the orange. So mga kabuso, your Cosmopolitan. Cheers. So mga kabuso, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabuso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabuso, for tonight, I'm going to show you how to make Cosmopolitan. Yes, Cosmopolitan. So for the Cosmopolitan, this is the ingredients. So you need this vodka using Stolzinaya, the premium vodka from Wash, and triple sec, and of course we need this cranberry juice and fresh lemon juice, and mine shaker and jigger. So mga kabuso, let's start for Cosmopolitan. So first, you need to chill first your cocktail glass. So I put some ice for the chilling. So here we go. And first step, 45 ml of vodka, 30, 15, 45 ml of vodka, and 25 ml of triple sec, 25 ml, and for the cranberry juice, 45 ml of cranberry juice, 45 ml of cranberry juice, and for the lemon juice, it's 5 ml only, same like dash only of lemon juice, and put some ice. And of course, my favorite, shake it, baby. For your shaking is 8 to 10 seconds only. For shaking, for chilling the alcohol. So now you can see this cocktail glass is chill already. So mga kabuso, you need a double strainer. So here we go. Nice color mga kabuso. So in my garnish, orange peel for the garnish. So for this time, I will not make a flame because my room is non-smoky. So I put a simple garnish only. Make a simple garnish. Just twist like this and drop. So mga kabuso, Your Cosmopolitan is ready. So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share to all your friends and family. And this is my favorite time, tasting time. So let me taste it. Cheers. Nice taste. And smell of the orange. So mga kabuso, your Cosmopolitan, cheers!